16 travel hacks you simply have to try. When traveling, you want to do it with the highest level of comfort and efficiency. That's why if you want to save yourself cash and effort, you should probably follow some incredibly good tips we've brought to you as part of our video series. Welcome to LifeBeat, and today we'll be presenting you with 16 travel hacks that you simply have to try. Stay until the end of our video to learn all about these super useful travel hacks you need to use next time you travel, and also subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. Number 16. Use private browsing when searching for tickets. When booking flights and hotels online, enable private browsing. Travel sites often hack your visits and will raise the price simply because you visited before. There are plenty of other reasons you would want to protect your personal information. This useful travel hack is great before you even finish purchasing your ticket, as it allows you to save up your personal information and purchase tickets at a more comfortable price. Number 15. Don't pay for water at the airport. Paying for water is essentially throwing away your cash. Anything bought in an airport has been excessively marked up price-wise, making it very unwise to purchase anything there, and that also included bottled or canned water. Things have gotten rather strict with bottles of liquid recently. Doesn't matter whether it looks as if the seal has been tampered with or not, a bottle with liquid in it is a no-go. So instead of bringing a full bottle, bring an empty bottle to the airport and refill it after you've passed through security. Number 14. Don't unpack. If you're backpacking, as many people do as part of their dreams, then it's likely you won't be staying in one place for too long. To save on packing time, only take out what you'll definitely need in each hostel. This will leave you with a free, quick and easy escape when you're on the verge of missing that bus. So avoid unpacking if you're blazing your trail across Europe, because you'll find yourself in a tight spot whenever you lose something. Carrying everything with you will also slow you down and tire you because of the extra effort you'll need to exercise to carry things. So avoid this at all costs. Number 12. Keep a digital copy of your documents. Better be safe than sorry when traveling, or doing anything in life for that matter. It's always a good idea to keep a digital copy of your documents in case anything gets lost or stolen. But how can you be sure that your information is safe? There is an app known as TripIt, which also makes it easier to secure and store important travel information like copies of your passport and vouchers. But that's not all the useful things TripIt does. TripIt can organize your itinerary in one easy-to-access place or any handheld device, which also makes things very convenient for your traveling. Number 11. Purchase life insurance. This travel hack is often forgotten by many new travelers until bad things happen and they have to scramble for actions or answers on what to do, so don't be that person. No matter how prepared you may be, things can still happen. Lost luggage, missed flights, stolen property, medical emergencies, etc. In a perfect world, none of these things would happen, and unfortunately, you need a backup plan when they do. Your travel agent should advise you on the right policy for you, but if you're purchasing on your own, many companies can also assist you in insuring your stuff. Number 10. Email yourself your documents. We've mentioned TripIt before, but triple checking is also quite useful if you want to make sure nothing happens when traveling. You'll thank yourself if you're ever a victim of theft or loss. It's also worth taking a screenshot of any journey confirmations. If you booked any flights, buses, or trains, whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet, make sure you screenshot them while you have Wi-Fi or internet access so you can access them when you're no longer connected. So much easier than lugging around printouts. As travel hacks go, this one you don't want to ignore in case anything goes wrong. So what are your thoughts on these incredible travel hacks that you need to try ASAP? Which one have you tried before, and which one do you want to try out soon? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to LifeBeat and turn notifications on for more great videos like this one. Number 9. Use travel clothes. Look for clothing that has more than one use. Consider packing things like sarongs and large scarves that could be doubled as blankets, towels, or wraps. For clothing, running shoes have always been the best go-to for those who want to travel comfortably. Traveling isn't the time to put on your best catwalk outfit or outfit yourself like you're going for a night of fun to the disco. Be smart and wear something that makes you feel comfortable with yourself and with the kind of walking, running, and sweating you'll definitely be doing during your trip. Number 8. Use a packing checklist. If you're carrying any type of luggage, creating an inventory and a packing checklist is one of the wisest things you can do. No matter how savvy you think you are at the last minute, 9 times out of 10, you're going to arrive without something you need. Generic packing lists can be used to purchase or download for free, and they range from the very simple to the very thorough. Just this small extra step can ease the stress of your travel preparations. Number 7. Use the 2 to 3 tops for every 1 bottoms rule. Most of us pack a lot more than we actually end up using, so unless you're already used to packing light, you can likely remove half to a third of what you normally bring. A good rule of thumb is to pack 1 to 2 tops for every 1 bottom. Tops take up less space, and people are generally more comfortable repeating bottoms than tops. Number 6. Use packing cubes and folders. One of the best space-saving investments you can make is in compressing packing cubes and packing folders. These little beauties are a game changer. Not only do they create more space in your luggage, they help you stay organized and arrive with your clothing less wrinkled. Number 5. Roll your clothing. If packing cubes or folders aren't in your budget, another space-saving tip is to roll your clothing versus folding it. But simply rolling your clothing isn't the only technique. This ancient packing hack has been used by moms all across the years, so learn how to roll your clothing well and see for yourself how well it works. Number 4. Use Google Maps OK Offline option. There are countless options for offline maps, but the simplest option is to go to the area you are going to be visiting on the Google Maps on your phone, type OK Maps into the search bar of the Google Maps app, and download the map to your phone. When you open the saved map later, the functionality is a bit confusing the first time. Instead of finding the saved map, you just start using Google Maps as you always would, and all the saved information about the streets, restaurants, attractions, and more will be saved for you in the area you originally mapped. Now that we have arrived at the top 3 of our list, stay until the end to find out about these super useful travel hacks that you need to try soon. You'll be shocked to learn which one's at the first place. Number 3. Fold easily wrinkled garments in dry cleaning bags. Some fabrics, for example wool and linen, are more susceptible to stubborn wrinkles and may not respond well to wrinkle release spray, which might end up damaging the fabrics themselves. In cases like this, lay the clothing flat inside a plastic dry cleaning bag and then fold as normal. The plastic prevents creases from setting in. Number 2. Fold your panties and bras together. Help your bras maintain their shape and save space by stacking your bras on top of each other, folding them in half, and tucking your panties inside. This technique will prevent the cups from folding inward and extend the life of your bras. Number 1. Protect your jewelry in plastic bags. In general, any type of jewelry should be a no-no for travelers. After all, it can get easily lost or even stolen. However, if you want to protect your bracelets and jewels from any kind of damage, store them in plastic bags. So what are your thoughts on these incredibly useful travel hacks you simply have to try? Let us know what you have thought about our travel tips down below, and also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more great videos like this one. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.